Namaste, a very good morning, Sat Shri Akal. Okay, today we are going to do some strength training activities where you will be doing some strength activities where you will be very strong, bold, confident. You will be like that only. For that is the work what we are going to do today. But before that, we will be doing some activities for the foot, some stability activities we will try to do. Then only we will be going for the strength activities. Yeah, sorry, I forgot. Before going to strength activities, we will do some stretching and all. We will be mobilizing everything. Then only we will be going for the strength activity. Strength activity, that is strength activity we do even from a very young age. See, from 8 years onwards, we can start doing. Even before also it's possible, but 8 years and all we can slowly start with. But what we can, only that much. But one thing is very important, that whenever we want to do some strength activity, even weightlifting you can do in very small age. But the only thing is that it has to be done under proper supervision, under a qualified, well qualified coach. Only under them you should do, because by doing all this activity, your muscle will get stronger, your bones will get stronger, you understand, and you will be growing bigger and bigger. I don't want to talk too much physiology of the bone now because you are a small children, but this much you should know, that your muscles and bones will be getting strengthened. ये पूरा आपका बहुत ताकत हो जाएगा, आपका शरीर ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाएगा, ठीक है, आपका बोन भी ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाएगा, सब हो जाएगा. So now we will be doing little first what we are going to do is some, as I told you, the foot activities, that is crunch. I will talk more about the crunches, why we do that activity. I will, during the course of the activity, I will tell you, okay, and then as I've told you, after the crunch we will be doing some stability work and then some exercise, and then we will directly go to the strength work activities. Boys, hope you are all active. Are you active? Yeah, very active. Why you are all very silent? Very active? Very good, very good. That's the way, right? Okay, very good. First, everybody go and take out the canvas and come back. Just remove your canvas and come. Okay, everybody come here. Now see, just watch here. What we are going to do is what we call the crunches. That is an activity for the foot. It is to strengthen the foot. And not only that one, you have to understand that, what we call it grounding, because we are having connection between the earth and we. Normally we will be putting canvas and all, but we don't have connection with the earth. So here it is, we are having connection with the ground, with the earth. One more thing, let me tell you, the interesting thing is, here, these activities, it is having a lot of benefit for your health also. And especially, your eyesight will always improve, because of this activity. So, as I have told you in the beginning itself, whatever exercise, you are doing, first I told you we are doing some scrunch exercises, that is all for the foot. It is for the foot muscle. It is good, even the people who are having flat foot, for them to make their arch better. This exercise is very good, no doubt. If there is no arch on the legs, then you can do this activity, you understand, regularly. And not only that, because the morning dew is falling on the grass, so that it is very cool, so that what is happening is all these blades will give an acupressure for your feet. You understand? You give an acupressure for your leg, so that you will. There are one more thing. Let me tell you. There is a lot of nerves, coming and ending. It is all very thickly dense. वो बहुत nerve ending नीचे आता है, वो उसको थोड़ा हम एक्टिव कर रहा है, इसलिए हम ये ऐसा करता है, ठीक है. first what we are going to do is, you just keep the feet and keep walking like this. Everybody, start walking. Try to look in front and everybody walk please. Like that, yes, very good. Very good, keep walking, keep walking. Keep walking. Come on, keep walking. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Okay, relax, go back, go back. Now the same one, what you try to do is, you keep the leg like this and try to go out. Same. Like that, like that. See, going outward. Going outward. Yes, going outward. Okay, okay. Now come backward, like that, like that. See, you keep it like this, like this, like this. Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Now the next exercise is same one, like that, same one, like that, same one, like that. Yeah. Yes. Yes, everybody try. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, relax, relax. Just relax a bit. Just relax a bit. Okay, that's all. Now, everybody try to do some stretching exercise for the calf now. Everybody. Do some stretching exercise for the calf muscle. Yeah, keep the feet flat on the ground. Try to stretch. Again, next one. Keep it. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. That's good. That's good. Try to flex your knee. Try to nobody should look down. Do this one. Keep the backbone straight. Yes, very good. You should feel the stretch. You should feel the stretch on the Achilles and on the soleus muscle. That is what, like you are. Okay. Okay. Come on, relax. Relax, relax. Now we'll be doing some stability work. Okay? We are going to do some stability work. That is, what you do. Every exercise has to be done on single leg. Okay? What you try to do, you try to go straight like that and try to hold for some time. Let me see. The whole body should be in one line now. Come on, try. Everybody try. Keep the knee straight. Yeah, that is good. Yeah, you can try, okay, try that. Try to look down. Try to look down. Take the leg little up. Yeah, very good. Okay, relax. Relax. Do for the other leg. Everybody try for the other leg. Yeah. Come on. Anjana, keep your knees straight. Okay. Relax. Try to keep it out and just hold. Just hold. How much you can take it out, and try to hold. Now change. Try to do for the other leg. You should be like a statue, no movement. Try to look straight. Try to keep far. How much you can do that much. If you can go more, that is good. Don't try to lean too much on one side. Keep the body more straight. That's good. Very good. Okay, the same one. Take the leg behind and try to hold. Take the leg behind and try to hold. Try to look straight. Never try to look down, always. Yeah. Come on. Okay, relax. You're done for both the legs? Yeah. Okay, go for the other leg. Okay. Now the next exercise is, just take one leg, just hold there, try to be there. Try to stand erect, like this. Everybody stand. Let me see whether you can do that or not. Everybody try, like even if you are falling, no problem, but you learn it. Yeah. Okay, now see, you have seen that some stability exercises we were trying to do. Now you make your own movements and stand. Let me see how you can do that. Any movement, any way you like, maybe something like this, something like that, whichever way you want. Okay, let me try. Everybody have their own. It is nothing to follow. You can do your own, she can do her own. Okay, try that. Surya, you also try something. Yes, very good. Very good. Hey, very good. Yes, but you have to hold. Whatever exercise you try to do, you have to hold it. Very good. Very good. Wonderful. Wonderful. Yes, yes, very good. Hold. Hold. Try to hold. Very good. Very good. Very good. That's the way. That's very good. Come on, everybody. Little relax. Relax. Come on, relax. 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 Now, that's okay. Now go and put your canvas. Go and put your canvas. Okay, now let's say let us do some more stretch. What you try to do is, see, try to hold it here, closer, and then that means bringing your thighs very close to the chest. Okay, but you keep walking like that, coming on your toes, bringing it up here, and like that you will be. But you should not go here like this. You should be always straight, as I've told you. It has to be like a pencil whenever you do. Okay, everybody go there. Go there. And keep walking that one. Come on, try to do. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. Don't jerk. Yes, very good. Keep the other knee straight. Yeah, very good. That's good. Keep the knee straight. That knee. Yes. Don't go back. Don't try to go back. Keep the toe there. Up every time. Good. Very good. Very good. Okay. That's good. Surya, try to keep your body more straight, like you are always trying to do here. Always there. To be straight. Other knee straight. Okay, relax, 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 relax. And now the next exercise is, just watch here. What you're trying to do is, you're crossing the leg like this. And what you're trying to do is, you try to push the hip sideways and try to go down so that this muscle will be getting stretched out straight. Okay, come on. Try to push. Push your hip. Push your hip this side. More and more. More and more. More and more. More and more. Okay. I want to see this one and then go down. Yes, try to push more. Push more. Anjana, try to push more. Yeah. Push, push, push. Push this side. Feel it. Feel it. Feel the stretch. It is for the side actually. You are trying to have, but your hamstring will also get stretched. The leg which is behind, like that will get the stretch for the hamstring. Yes, and your side muscle. Okay, okay. That is enough. That is enough. Now try to hold your leg like this. Try to hold it and keep on like that, like try to swing. This is for the front muscle. This is for this muscle to get stretched. Try to keep the body straight. Look straight, Anjana. Okay, good. Go back. Go back. Yeah, that's good. Change now. Change. Try to change. Come on, try to do that. Okay, that's very good. That's very good. Okay. Now everybody try to sit down. Everybody try to sit down. Sit down. Okay. Now this hip twist, like that? Taking the leg like this. Shall we see how it is? The hip twist, yes, like that. Yes, try that. Okay, good. Try that. Try that. Try that. Everybody look this side at me. Everybody look at me this side. No, you turn this side. Yeah. Do the exercise. Yes, you also turn this side and do. Let me see. No, this side. Look at me. You also. Okay. Look at me. Okay, good. Good. Okay. Okay. Now what you do is, same way you try to hold, anchor your arm. आपका दोनों हाथ आगे करके ये same exercise hip twist करना. चलो try करो. Yeah. वही. That is what. Okay, कर लो. वही. Yes. It is little more difficult. Very good. Very good. Keep it up like that. Yes. Yeah. Anchoring. Yeah. That's good. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. 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 Everybody get up. Everybody get up. Okay. Come this side, please. Everybody come. Come here. Oh, sorry. Okay, everybody try to clap for 1 minute. I want to see everybody clapping for 1 minute. Okay? Come on, clap. Clap. Clap like this also. Clap like this also. Try to make big sound. Yeah. Come on, keep clapping. And be happy that, like, okay. See, that's good. That's good. Okay, come on, keep doing it. Keep for a minute. Okay, that's the way. That's the way. Good. Keep clapping. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Try to be happy. When you clap, you cannot be sad. You understand? You cannot be sad. Clapping always is a sign of happiness. And a sign of happiness. And it is you are encouraging somebody there. Yes, that's the way. That's the way. Come on. Come on. Okay. Stop it. One thing you have to understand. Anybody know why we clapped? Clapping. Yes, clapping is nothing but, when you start clapping, the brain knows that something happy is happening. You understand? So once the brain knows that one, it will give all the impulses to say that you are happy, so that when your brain knows that one, your whole body will become happy. It is, see, I'll tell you, because of this clap, if you have some back pain, even for back pain it is good. For knee joint it is good. You understand? And not only that, even for digestive disorders. आपको भूख ज़्यादा होता है ये ऐसे करने तो. So like आपका घुटने का पेन है, उसके लिए अच्छा है. वो आपका बैक का प्रॉब्लम है, उसको भी अच्छा है. So like all together, this is a wonderful activity. That the first thing is that you are happy. Only when you are happy you will be clapping. Otherwise you don't clap. So clapping is a wonderful activity. Don't think there are so many physiological effects there. You understand? Okay, that's all. Now everybody go drink water and come, please. Okay. Okay. You know why I asked? Come on, drink. No problem. Little water only, not too much. Okay. Keep down. Keep it. Why I asked you to drink water? The very simple reason is because when we do a lot of sweating, so much of water is going out of your body. So we want to supplement that. That is why we are drinking water. Got the point? And not only that one, see, you can drink water. When you drink water, actually happening, water is the only one which absorbs very fast to the body. Anything, even milk you drink, it has to go for digestion. But water, no need of any digestion. Water will be directly absorbed by the body. See, right from the mouth itself, it starts absorbing. It right from the mouth, and then when it goes definitely to the whole body. So you understand, milk, even anything you drink, like that has to get digested, then only body will be absorbed. That is why we say to drink water. But at the same time, let me tell you one more thing, that when some energy drinks are there, the best energy drink I will tell you, that is nothing but the coconut water, tender coconut water. And tender coconut water is also very good, but provided if you put a pinch of salt in that one, a pinch of salt in that, and if you start drinking that water, the absorption rate of the coconut water will be 10 times more if you put a pinch of salt in that one. Simply drinking it is good, no doubt about that, but the absorption rate will be much higher. 10 गुना ज़्यादा होता है. हमारा नारियल का पेड़ का पानी हम पीने के टाइम वो बहुत बढ़िया चीज़ है, और आप थोड़ा नमक थोड़ा डाल के वो पीने तो आपका बॉडी अच्छे से अब्सॉर्ब करता है. ओके, सो You should understand, simply don't think that, simply we are coming and drinking water. Okay, come on please. Come on. Everybody stand there. Now what we are going to do is, high knee march. Okay, just watch, how I'm going to do. I'll be trying to anchor my arm here and I'll be moving like this. See this? Lifting the knee up and coming down, and high knee march. You understand? So we'll be doing like this. See, just watch. Tuck, 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 tuck. But never try to step down, step out and do the high knee lift. It's always coming under. Just chop, 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 like that. Okay? Come on, everybody try. Everybody try the high knee lift. Come on. Come on, anchor your arm here. Yeah, lift it up. Okay. Okay. Lift it and come under. Take the knee up. Surya. Very good. Very good. Come under. Yeah, looking straight. Very good. Okay. Okay, that's good. Very relaxed. Relax. Like that. Yes. Try to be very relaxed. Like to be playful. Yes. Try to be playful. Yes. 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 Like that. Yes. Yeah. Keep the always like a pencil. Every time like a pencil. Every time like a pencil. Yes. 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 Try to walk around. Always try to keep your chest out and walk. Every time. Yes. Simply walk. Walk around. Walk around. Come on, everybody. आपका chest पूरा time chest up होना चाहिए और आपका body pencil जैसे होना चाहिए सभी time. पूरा आपका body आप pencil जैसे होना चाहिए. Always keep in mind. Today, our main activity is strengthening work. Like a Tarzan you have to be. You understand? Everybody have to be stronger. And you should always feel, like once you become strong, you are very confident. Anybody, like with anybody you can talk like that. Macho man like that. It has to be. And you have to understand that for young children, right from the age 8 onwards, young children can do strength activity. And the most important thing is, when you do that activity, you have to do those activities only in the presence of a coach, a knowledgeable coach with proper supervision only. That can be, even you can do weightlifting, I'm telling you, but not with heavy weights, with simple weight, power clean, that you don't know. I will teach you later. Power clean, snatch, there are certain exercises in weightlifting. All can be done by you people. There is nothing wrong. But this is not like champions. We will be trying to do big weights and all those things. Never. The most important thing is you should learn the technique and the skill. This is very, very important. You understand? So today we will be doing some simple strengthening own body weight strengthening workout. Okay, everybody will be doing. You are young children. Okay, so no problem, you can do it. And see, the problem is when you do strengthening activity, what is happening is your bone will get more strong, your muscle will get more strong. You understand? Everything. And because of that, your growth will be better. You understand? Because of your activity, like you will be very strong. Your bone will start growing very good. Your muscle will be very strong. Maybe not this much muscle, but your muscle will be strong. Always you will be very active. So that is why we are going to do strength activity. That is our main workout today. Okay, come here. There is sun there. You can come. You can come and sit in the shade. Okay. 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 So what we are going to do, the first exercise, we are going to do for our abdomen. You understand? We are going to do for our abdomen. How we do that one is, you see, you will be stretching your legs like that. You lie on the ground and then keeping both the palm on the thighs like this and slowly come. See, this is called This is called 30-degree sit-up or 30-degree crunch. We call it 30-degree crunch or we call it 30-degree sit-up. This is for the abdomen. ये पेट के लिए है. आप ग्राउंड से 30 डिग्री ऊपर आना है. आपका फोकस should be on the stomach. You try to squeeze your stomach now very strongly. You should come only 30 degree from the ground. See, देखो. Just see how I'm doing. And again going back. And again. Like that. Understood? Everybody try to do that. Let me see. Everybody lie down. Yes. Slowly. Yes. Yeah, very good. Try to squeeze your chin down and feel the, yes, very good. अब ज़्यादा ऊपर नहीं आना. Only 30 डिग्री. यही बढ़िया एक्सरसाइज है पेट के लिए. Only 30 डिग्री. Okay, okay, okay. Relax, relax. Come up, come up. Now the next exercise is, again it is for little for abdomen only. It is called the reverse crunch. Reverse crunch, or you can say reverse sit-up, but otherwise it is called reverse crunch. What you'll do is lie down. Everybody lie down. Lift your knees up. Flex like that. Yes, little more up. Okay, that's good. Little more up. Surya, little more up. Your leg little up. Yes. And now you slowly lift it up and come down. Everything is little slow. Come on, try. Lift your hip up like that. Yes. Yeah. Come on, do. Yeah. Yeah. Lift it up. Come on. Yeah. Tricky, beta. Do it. Come on. Yes. Come on, do. Yeah, good. Yeah. Yes, good. Yes, good. Okay, relax, relax. Okay. Okay. Okay, now relax, relax, like be there. See, if anybody is getting unnecessarily tired or feeling discomfort, please tell me. You should not keep on doing exercises like that. Wherever you are feeling little discomfort, please tell me. Okay. Okay. Now the next one is, we are going to do, now we have done something for our abdomen. अभी हम हाँ पीने like थोड़ा पेट के लिए थोड़ा किया. अभी next क्या करना? थोड़ा हमारा हाथ के लिए, शोल्डर के लिए, थोड़ा स्ट्रेंथ के लिए हम push up करता है. This is, like the people who are not strong enough, they can be first, see, kneel down like this and then go in front and then come down and come up. Come down and come up like that. Everybody try. Everybody try this. Keeping the knee, yes, yes, yeah. Everybody try. Okay. Maybe 5 times. Let me see how. Let me see. 5 or 8, whatever you want. It is all left to you. Very good. Very good. Yeah, that's the way. That's the way. Okay, okay, that's enough. That's enough. Okay. Okay, let me tell you, see, now this is those people who are not very strong. For small children, maybe not possible to do full push-ups. But who can do that push-ups? Who can really do that push-ups is, just watch, how I'm doing. I will be coming down like that. And then what I'll do, I will go like this and come together. Going down and coming to. That means you will be coming like a block. अब जैसे आपका हिप नीचे मत जाना, ट्राई कर लो. If you are, आप थोड़ा स्ट्रेंथ थोड़ा कम ही है, no problem. आप ट्राई कर लो. That is very important. How many can do full sit up? Let me see. Let me see how many can. Focus on your hip. Ah, come on. Oh, not bad. Take the hip also together. Take the hip also. Hip also. Ah, Anjana is not bad. Anjana is trying, Surya is not that. Surya is small, but still he is trying. Together, take the hip up together. Okay, that's good. You have to be, yeah, carry the hip up. Don't forget about the hip when you do. Okay, relax, relax, relax. That's enough. That is enough. See, there is nothing wrong if, like going down, like children, they will. But you have to understand the correct way of doing is the whole body will be straight. It will be coming like that. It is not something down and all those things. The whole body will be straight like this. Ta, cha, ta, 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 like that. Okay, very good. That is good. Okay. So now we have tried now for the shoulders. Now what we will try is little we will do for the legs, for our thighs. You see how we do the thighs is you can hold here, you can keep the arm here, whichever way you like. Now you see, try to push your butt like that. It is not that first you do, no need. When you are going down, just watch. Then going down, go up and then come up. No need of going and sitting down. No need. Only just half, maybe little more down. Yeah, like that. It is good. It is good for this, for your glute, for this muscle and for this muscle. Okay, everybody try. Let me see. Everybody try. Okay. Okay, keep your arm there. Okay, that's good. Keep your body more straight. Okay, slowly go down. Try to push. Yeah, yeah. Go down, go down. Very good, very good. Come up slowly and do. Go down. Yes, the knee should not come in front of the toe. Always. Very good, Surya. That is very good, Anjana. Very good. Very good. Try to push. Oh, your knee is wonderful. Your knee is wonderful. Surya, you can come little forward. Anjana, do that. Come on. Everybody down. Go down. And come up. Yeah, good. Go down. Good. Come up. Go a little more down. Okay. Try. Come up. Okay, good. That's good. That is good. This is so relaxed. Go that side, please. So, what the problem is, you see, you come this side, please. You come this side. See, now you have to understand, don't go to the sun, you can be in the shade. You can be in the shade. You see, now we have done for this one. For the thighs, we have done. Now, the next is, we will be doing some jumping activity. So, now whatever we are trying to do is all for the muscles. We never did anything for the bones. We didn't do. But we have to do. If you want to strengthen your bone, then you have to do some jumping activities. Skeletal bone and the skeletal muscle. Muscles, we were trying to do all those exercise. Now what we are going to do is for the bones. As I have told you, your bone will grow stronger and you will grow very tall also. So what we are going to do is, see, just watch here, simple. What we trying to do, yeah, like that, you everybody. But try to keep the body more erect. Let me see that sideways jump. Come on, everybody, try the jump. Yeah, okay, good. Yes, good. Go for sideways jump. Yes. Okay, Surya, you have to keep in one thing. When you try to do this, you are going something like this. No, it's always the toe pointing straight. And the knee is also straight, never this one. That is not good. You have to be very correct, understand? Everybody once more try, let me see. Yeah, yes. You can keep the hip little more down, Anjana. Very good. Yes, okay, good. And see, when you come, see, you come down, but then try to straighten up. See, the knee has to get stretched. अब जैसे इधर से नहीं जंप करना, पूरा ये देखिए, पूरा स्ट्रेच होना चाहिए, पूरा बॉडी. Everybody try once more, sideways jump. Try sideways jump. Yeah, yes. Yeah, knee straight. Yeah, very good. Knee straight. Yes, very good. Knee straight, very good. Knee straight, very good. Oh, wonderful, very good. Come on, very good, very good. That's the way, that's the way, that's the way. Relax a little bit. There, every time, like in a dancing mood. Yay. Everybody in a dancing mood. Yeah, like that. Yes, yes, that's the way. That's the way. Everybody has to be in a dancing mood. Okay. 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 Oh. Now the next exercise is like what you call the bridge exercise, we call it. I will show you how to do that one. Just we will flex your knee like this. दोनों पैर ऐसे रखे, घुटना देखा ऐसे. फिर अब क्या कर रहा है? क्या करता है? Keep your arms down. ऐसे करके slowly lift your hip up like that. Now the whole line, it should be in one line. You see this one? Yeah, you can see this one. See how it is done? It has to be done like this. Okay, see there. You hold for maybe 5-6 seconds, and then this is called the single leg bridge. See again, the whole should be in one line. Right, see from the shoulders, it is in one line. Understood? See this? Okay. And focus should be on the back. Okay. Everybody try that one. Try. Okay. Come on. Okay. Slowly try to lift your hip up. Yes. Try to hold there. Hip lift up. Lift up. Yeah, okay. Lift up. Lift up. Okay. That's good. Slowly down. Try once more. Slowly come up. Hip up. Take the hip up. Hip up. Hold there. Hold there. Slowly come down. Once more you have to do. And try to squeeze your buttock like that. Okay. Slowly come up. Yeah. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Like that. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze. अच्छे से ये ऐसा. Okay. Relax. Okay. The same one now what we are going to do, single leg bridge. Okay. As I've told you, you have to lift, slowly raise your hip up there and then make the leg straight like that. Okay. Come on everybody, try. Slowly come up. Yeah. Come on, try. Straight in one line. Yes, good. Yes. Yes, right, hold there. Kick the hip up. Squeeze it. Okay, relax. Slowly relax. Yes, good. Go for the other leg. Take it up. Yeah. There. That's good. Lift the knee, hip up little. Yes. On one line. One line. Okay, very good. Relax, relax. Relax. Okay. That is what we call the bridge exercise. This is actually for the lower back. For the lower back and the glute. Okay? For both, like it will strengthen your lower back and your glute. Okay? Now, all come up. Now what we are going to do is, the next exercise is nothing but we will do duck walk. Okay? That is, like sitting down like that, and then you will be something like that. See, like that. But you will be sitting down there. Let me see that. How can anybody show that exercise? You come in front. Okay? Just sit down. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yes. The heel is flat. From there you should come up. Heel is flat and then like that. Yes. Whenever you do, yes, flat and then come up. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay. Good. 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 Relax. Relax a bit. Relax a bit. Relax a bit. Relax a bit. Okay. Come on, jog. Jog again. Keep your arms and all there. Yes. Yes, that's good. You should feel happy. That's good. Yes, yes. Come on. Come on. That's good. That's good. Okay. 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 Next is what we call the bunny jump. That exercise is called bunny jumps. You know, like you will be going down like that and then keep on jumping. Okay, keeping the arm here and you'll keep on jumping. Let me see. Okay, that's good. Bunny jump. Come on. It's called bunny jump. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Good, good, good. Okay, okay. Again, go for a little jog. You can do some stretching. All you can do. Little good breathing you can do. You can do a little bit of breathing. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yes. You can do a little breathing. Okay, all calm please. All calm please. Now what we try to do is, we call it crocodile walk. Crocodile walk or alligator walk or lizard walk, whatever name you want to put, you can put. You understand? Everybody lie down. Keep your arm there. Take your one leg in front. One leg. Okay. Now, like that, you know, like from this one, you should keep walking. Let me see. Yes. Yeah, like that. Yes. Yes. The knee is straight more. Yes, good. Yes, good. Yes. Yes, yes. Don't take the hip up. Don't take the hip up. It should be down. Ah, okay. It should be very low to the ground. When you do that one, it should be very low. Come on, everybody, try. Yes. Yes. Keep the knee straight. Surya. Yes, very good. Keep the knee straight. Keep the knee straight. Your knee is bent. Yes, like that. Yes. Come on, give. Come on, do. Knee. See, Anjana is very good. Okay. See, she is also good. Very good. I forgot your name. Shema. Shema. Okay. 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 See, I am not very happy with this exercise. Especially, I am not happy with you. Leg has to be straight. Anjana, you should not raise your hip. It is very close to the ground and you should move. You should feel that a crocodile is moving or an alligator is moving. Okay? Now the next exercise is, come here, what we call the leaping frog. Okay? You have to leap forward, try to touch your feet like that. You know, like you have to jump like how the frog is jumping. But only thing is that when you are leaping, you should try to touch your toe also when you leap. Okay? I just want to see, I cannot show that one, you know, like I can make somebody to do that exercise. Okay, Anjana, you try. Yeah, leg should, yes, lift the leg up and then, yes, like that, yes. Go, everybody, come on, let me see what you do. Yes, come on, complete, yes, that's good. Yes, good. Yes, good. Yes, good. Yes, good, very good. Take your, relax again. Now the next exercise what we are going to do is, we call it gorilla walk. All these are animal movements what we are trying to do now. Okay? Now the next one is gorilla walk. Just watch. You know, you will be bending down like that and you will be keeping your fist, you know, closed like that. Understand? Closed fist. And then what you try to do is, a gorilla jaise walk karna. Dekho. Yeah, like that. You have to be like this, okay? Okay, maybe I am not good, but you can try. Okay, come on, gorilla. All gorillas walk. Yes, take the leg also go. Both, leg and feet, yes, come on. Yeah, very good. Good gorillas, very good. Okay, that's enough. We are going to do what we call inch walk. How we do is, we should go down and keep your palm flat on the ground, okay? And then what you try to do is, keep no, sorry, you keep it here and then keep the arm moving like that. Keep the leg fixed there and keep moving there, and then after reaching there you should be going like this with the legs, and then again the arm and again the legs. Let me see how you are doing. Anjana, you try to do that, or yes, and then take the leg. Yes, like that. Okay, keep moving. Okay, let me see, Priscilla, how you are doing. Yes, good. Yes, keep the knee straight. I want the knee straight, never bend. I want, yes. Come on, keep the knee straight. Yes, very good. How close you can come? Come on, try. Yes. Keep the knee more straight. Yeah, more straight. Yes, okay. Okay, that's enough. Okay, try to improve upon. Okay, you are okay, but I want it more good. Okay, anyway, it's good. It is good. You are trying, that is good. So the next exercise is what we call, what is that exercise? Okay, we are going to do lazy dog activity. You know how the lazy, sometimes you could see that how the lazy dog, you know, like without taking his legs, you know, like it will be keeping like this, and then it keep on moving something like that without, see, the knee is down, but you will be dragging the knee. You don't do anything with the legs. Okay, come on everybody, try that lazy dog. Yes, don't do, keep the knee straight. Okay, that's one. Yes, yeah, very good. Keep the knee down. Yes, that's good. That is good. Very good. Come up. Very good, wonderful. Very good. Everybody was doing good. Okay. Okay. Now everybody go forward. See, standing there. You just watch. What I'm going to do is, I'll be standing erect, and then I'll be doing it. Try to go up. You are strengthening the calf. Okay? Come on, everybody try. Yes, come up. 4-5 times. Okay, go up and down. Yeah, good. Yes, good. Go up. Yes, good. Try to be like a pencil. Everybody. Okay. Now the same drill. Again, it is for the calf only. Again, what you do is try to lift it up. You can hold for a second and then come down. Okay, come on. Only the heel. Yes. Very good. Okay. No need of coming up. Only toe. Oh, yes. Come on, try. Lift the knee. Lift the. No need of only the toe will come up. Okay, relax. Okay, the next exercise is what we call the crab walk. Okay, crab. हिंदी में क्या बोलता है? crab. क्या बोलता है हिंदी में? मालूम नहीं है. वो समुद्र में है. जैसे ना लाइक वो काटता है ऐसा. तो मतलब इसका क्या बोलता है मालूम नहीं. ओके, नाम भूल गया. Okay, चलो. Now what we are trying to do is, see, you will be lying down. Okay, you will be lifting your hip up like this and keep walking. See this, like that. But always try to keep the hip up there. Never drop it down. Okay, try that. Everybody try. Okay, oh, very good. Try to look up instead of that. Yes, try to look up, straight. Keep the head straight. Okay, that's enough. Okay, be there. Okay, again, come this side. Let me see once more. And no, not only that one. This time when you come, sometimes you open the leg also like that. Okay? Try. Good. Okay, relax. Very good. Okay. That's enough. Okay. Now, everybody go take the medicine ball and come. Okay, come here. This is it all depends, this ball, you can carry 2 kg weight, if it's too small, 1 kg is also okay. But this ball can be, like it's, if you are more strong, you can carry little more bigger weight. But now we are having only 2 kg ball, okay. Now what we try to do is, we try to make figures. No, sorry, not figures, alphabets with this medicine ball. Keeping the arm straight like that. First we are going to do A, B. But your body should not move. You should be standing straight. And I wanted up to G. Everybody has to do up to letter G. Come on, do. Let me see. Yeah. What letter you are writing? Surya. Yes. That you should say. Otherwise, I don't understand. Yes. Oh, yo. Let me see. F. E, F. G. Oh, G. Okay. Keep the ball down. Relax a bit. Good. Shake your shoulders and all nicely. Okay. Shake it. Okay. Now the next activity is, like how now you are done up to G, is it not? Now H, I, J, K, L, M. Up to M. Let me see. Okay. Yeah. Come on. Just make the letter like that. Everybody. Okay, good. Make the letter. Come on, try. I want big letters. Yeah. Yes, big letters. Okay, very good. Keep the ball down. Relax a bit. Okay. See, let me tell you, like this, see, this is all, you can do a lot of activities like this with the medicine ball. Now, see, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, like that, up to X, Z you can do. Okay, it's some letters, then some letters, like that, a group of letters, like that you can try. And about the ball also, the weight of the ball also, where the child is comfortable, he should have little weight, but it should not be, no, not like that. And it should not be like that. It has to be very, very relaxed, but you should have some strain in the body. Then only, like you will be gaining strength. Okay, now the same one, keep the ball there. Please keep the ball there. Keep the ball there and come back. Now what we are going to do, okay, keep it properly there and come back. Okay, now what we are going to do is, see, now these letters, what we are going to do, with single leg, you will start writing A, B, C, D, E for one leg and change and do other leg also, A, B, C, D, E with the leg. Let me see how you are going to do. A, yes, now let me see. B, E, sometimes you, okay, come on. Priscilla is always only small letter like this. We want big letter like Anjana doing. Anjana sometimes want big, smaller only. Okay. Do for the other leg. Both the legs you try. Try a alphabet. Try to write alphabet. Yes. Try to write alphabet. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Both the right hand. See, one thing let me tell you, because by standing on one leg, because in running also, you are always on one leg. We are not on both the legs when you are running. You are not running like this, you are running only one, see, one leg, always up. So all these activities are good because you are doing on one leg in this one. And then another important thing is, see, when you are writing all letters, all the movements are from here. You understand? When it comes back, this muscle is, when it's going up, this muscle, when it is going here, this muscle. So, like you are strengthening this area. This area also, you are strengthening. See? So that you have to always keep in mind. And now, you see, like this, now we have done alphabet for both the legs. Is it not? Now you can make even figures. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, try, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 3, 4. Yes. Yes. Do for both the legs. Do for both the legs. Like that. Yeah. Yes. 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 Like this you can, like, see, the most important thing is, see, now Surya was doing, it's, like you should always, see, when you do 1, 2, 3, keeping the knee straight. So all like that, like, and the body should not try to control it. No, because you are young children, maybe the body may be moving here and there, but I am telling you, body should be always erect. Okay? Okay. 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 So I hope that we have done a lot of activities. See, many animal activities we tried, a lot of strengthening we have tried, a bit of, like as I told you, not only for the muscles के लिए अकेला नहीं हूँ, बोन के लिए भी हम किया. मतलब ऐसा करने के टाइम मतलब ये मैं पहले भी बोला, प्रॉपर सुपरविजन, अच्छा कोच होना चाहिए. वो देखने के लिए, आप गलत करने के टाइम वो सही करने के लिए एक कोच होना चाहिए. So आप like whatever the movements the coach is telling, you should always keep in mind what the coach said, how, and you should, in case if you have any doubt, आपको थोड़ा डाउट होने तो तुरंत पूछना है, कोच साहब ये कैसे करना, sir what should I do now, am I right? Watch your friends, if somebody is doing good, watch them and then do accordingly. चिड़ियों के लिए देखो, ये चिड़िया वो अकेला किसका नेस्ट बनाता है, उधर कोच नहीं है, कोई नहीं है. To make the nest of the bird only is doing alone everything. There is no coach, there is no architect, nothing. Everything is done by them. So कैसे वो छोटा आने के टाइम है ना, like वो बढ़िया चिड़िया क्या करता है वो देखता है, देखे पढ़ता है. So जैसे that what other one is doing, when he is doing good, then you should watch, observe करना पूरा, एक क्या कैसे करना, कैसे करता है. You should always keep watching how they are doing it, and then accordingly, then the coach is there, the coach will also try to correct you, so that you become better, so that whatever you are trying to do at this young age, you will become better citizens, you will become better sportsmen, you will be very healthy. Surya feeling sleepy? Okay, everybody come on, Joe, come on, let us go. I will also come along with you. So these are all always, you got to keep in mind everything. This is all very, very important, whatever I am trying to say. It is not that if somebody is coming, they are saying run, you do some jumping or something like that. But you should know, as a child, you should know what actually I am doing, which muscle I am feeling it. All these things are very important. You understand? Everything is very important. Okay, take out your canvas, socks, everything. We will do some little stretching exercise, because like today we have done a lot of activities and especially we have done strength. Maybe you are little tired, आप थोड़ा थक हो सकता है, क्यों मैंने like आज हम स्ट्रेंथ वर्क थोड़ा किया, so इसलिए थोड़ा थक हो सकता है. So इसलिए हम इन्हें like मतलब अच्छा से जॉगिंग किया और हम थोड़ा स्ट्रेचिंग अभी सब करो. Everybody do some stretching exercise. Come on, everybody try. Come on, everybody try. Yes. Yeah. That whatever you want to like, 2, 3 stretches you like to, whatever you like to do, you do it. Let me see how you are doing. Okay, good. You are all very relaxed, no tension at all, everywhere. Whenever you are going forward, you have to move from the hip. Whenever, that you always keep in mind, never bend. It should always, the movement should be from the hip. from the hip only you should try to move every time. Okay. Okay, relax. Now we will do a little bit of Shavasana. We call it Shavasana. It's an yogic exercise. Shavasana means dead pose. Like when मरने के बाद है ना कैसे, जैसे ना लाइक जीवन नहीं है उस टाइम कैसे होता है, ऐसे हम लेट जाएगा. सो हम ऐसे करने के टाइम हम वो पूर्व दिशा में देखे हम ग्राउंड पे लाई डाउन करता है. ठीक है, पूर्व दिशा देखे कैसे वो करना. आई विल शो यू. अंजना, यू लाई डाउन. You know, you should look at the east. You should always look at the east side. East side. You should look that side. Okay, towards the east. Lie down. Keep your arms on the side. Yes. Keep your legs wide apart. Little more. You should be very comfortable. And try to close your eyes. See, this is the way you have to. And you know, like now the music will be played. You should be very relaxed. But you should not sleep. But you are like a dead body. You are like that. That is what Shavasana means. Dead pose. It is called dead pose. Okay? That is one exercise in yoga. So we will be doing that one. So your whole body will be relaxed. You should not get any tense. And wherever, when you are doing Shavasana, you have to understand that there should not be any sound. You know, it should be a very comfortable place. Okay? देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी थोड़ा सा कीड़ा कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए, वो काटता है. सो हमारा तो शावासना में ना डिस्टर्ब होता है. सो इसलिए आप करने के टाइम है ना लाइक बहुत खुशी में ऐसे ले जाना है. सो यही you should lie down very relaxed. You should feel very happy inside. Okay, and feel that the whole body is like, and I will keep on telling something. Come on, lie down. Come on. Oh, my body is so relaxed now. My body is so relaxed now. Oh, it's so relaxed now. My body is so relaxed now. My body is so relaxed now. Oh, my feet is relaxed now. My पैर बहुत relaxed होता है ना. Oh, my feet is so relaxed now. My thighs are so relaxed now. My thighs are so relaxed now. My shoulders are so relaxed now. Oh, it's so relaxed now. I feel so happy now. Oh, I feel so happy now. I feel so happy now. I am like a bird floating in the air. I am like an eagle floating in the air. Oh, I am floating. I am floating like a bird in the air. Oh, I'm like a piece of food floating on the water. I am like a piece of food floating on the water. I am like a piece of food floating on the water. Oh, I keep on floating. The water is taking me. It is taking me down the stream. Oh, I'm so relaxed now. I feel so happy 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 now. Oh, I am so relaxed now. 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 Slowly open your eyes. Open your eyes. Very good. Very good. See the relaxation in the body. All your tiredness ran away from your body. And you feel very relaxed. So this, like regularly when you do, you will feel very pleasant. And after this, you feel that you didn't do any exercise. That much fresh you will be. Your whole day will be very relaxed. That is what. So, now how to get up from this position is, everybody try to turn to your right. Turn to your right. No, don't come up. Turn to your right. Yes. With the support of your arms, so turn to right. Full. Yes, like that. Now slowly come up. Using your arm and try to come up. Yes, yes, like that. Yes, yes, yes. This is the way you have to come up. Every time, you should always, when you do this, when you after Shavasana, when you are getting up, even from getting up from the bed, please keep in mind, whenever you go for sleep in the night and morning or any time when you get up, always try to turn to your right. Okay? Turn to your right, then use your arms and lift, come up. Not directly coming up. Anyway, I am so happy that, like I was very happy that you people were very smart. You were doing very good. Everyone was good. You were very focused. You understand? I like the way you were. And this is what, this is what makes a champion. The champions are different. The champions are not like ordinary people. Sportsman is different. Like all the Olympians and the Olympic champions are all, their nature is different. Because they are brought up like that. And we are also bringing you up like that only to become Olympic champions tomorrow. And we wanted, we all become old people. But then we wanted to see that Priskila, Surya, Sheba, Anjana, everybody taking the flag of the country and just running around the Olympic Stadium. We want that. And I hope that, like you can and always have the will to do that one. This is all a stepping stone. Slowly, slowly we are coming up. So this is the way everything has to be. So thank you. Thanks a lot for everything. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.